share posts in all Facebook groups at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to share posts in all Facebook groups at once. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply explore the feed of the Facebook account that you have logged in with. And after that, for example, you want to share this particular post for all the Facebook group that you are part of. Just simply click on share icon from the post itself. And over here, you will be able to see the option called group right here. Just simply tap on it. And after that, you will be able to see the groups that you are part of. So you just have to simply long press on the groups that you want to send this particular post with. So just simply click on the person or the group that you are sending this post. And you can select as many groups as you want to. Just simply select the group first, and after that just click on post. And again, just click on the group and click on post. And this way you will be able to share posts in all the Facebook group at once without any hassle. So this is basically how you will be able to share posts in all Facebook groups at once. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.